What's going on, my tapped out auto fam? Well, this fucking phone, or this camera, has a Sony Handycam suck. I had it charged up all night long. Now I just turned it on and the battery's about ready to die. I don't have the charger with me, so we're going to have to make this one short and sweet today. I got the other quarter panel here from the car. It's what I cut off. A little bit longer. And then what I'm doing is I'm separating the spot welds, but I'm doing it from behind. I see a lot of people online, they grind them off up here, but I don't want big gaping holes in the damn metal. So I'm doing it through here. I've already got all this broke off. Now I got to get this broke off right here. And like I say, I just still really cannot believe that quarter panel I got from Jags, they cut it off like right here. It doesn't have this. I just don't understand that. I really don't. And the way they had it, if y'all looked at the video, right here, they actually had it like capped off like this, right here. So, I mean, I don't understand it. I don't. But we're going to go ahead and go with this and stuff like that. I am going to keep on going. And at least only got this part right here, this little part, and then that should be fun. So, alright, let's see here. It's going to wobble on me, so I'm going to need to find something to make it a little sturdier. I'll be right back. Alright, I got a little steady. I don't know how long that's going to last. Alright, so as you see that this is part of the car here that I cut off. So we need to take and come in here. Gotta get all this shit off of here. And we're gonna grind from the back side because like I said, I don't want to come through here and cut it up. And I'll show you what it looked like if you did it from the outside. If y'all did it from the outside, it would look just like this. All them holes in it, it looked just like that. So that's why we're not doing it that way. So it will look like this, nice and smooth metal when we're done. Alright, I want to get busy and stuff. I like to get y'all guys on here and stuff like that, but this camcorder sucks. Alright, I'll be right back. Wow. Well, I tell you what, this quarter panel is kicking my ass, but guys, it is looking good. I done took off all that off of it. Got this all nice and good. Got this piece out. This right here is the egg of the quarter panel, so I just took off. So why don't the aftermarket ones have this? I mean, I just don't get that. It's part of the damn fender, or the quarter panel. I don't get that shit. Now, when I first started this, a lot of people was like, go get you a rivet extractor. Rivet extractor would be great. Alright, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. So I actually had one. I had this damn bit for like 2 years. Did not know what the hell it was. And then I found out it was a rivet extractor. So here it is, right here, rivet extractor. Now, I want to show y'all the difference between using a rivet extractor and using a hand belt sander. Now mind you, the belt sander does take a little bit longer, but no, I don't think nothing. I had to go to the phone. Camera died, figures. Alright, what was we? Oh yeah, the rivet extractor. Well, this right here is what you get when you use a rivet extractor. I did all this with a rivet extractor. Now there it is. On up here. Now that was with a rivet extractor. On up here. Now I got this Win belt sander off of eBay. Y'all guys remember that? I think it was like 30 bucks. And you know, these belts you can't buy anywhere. You have to buy them on Amazon, so that's kind of a pain in the ass. And it only took one belt to take this off. And see how much nicer that is? Now I took this off with a hand belt sander. Of course, we got some that, you know, I couldn't really get the belt sander in there, but kind of screwed that up a little bit. But I mean, look at this. Nice and smooth all the way around. So yes, if I had to tell someone and stuff like that what to use, either a hand belt sander or a rivet extractor, I'd most definitely say the belt sander. This thing right here works great. Wow, everything in my life is dying. Damn phone is now dying. But yeah, now this up here and stuff, this right here was a little bit more of a pain in the ass, because this right here was where the hinge was for the hatch. And tell you the truth, I was real surprised that it was only 2 spot welds that was holding that plate on, that holds that bracket on for the hatch shock. I thought it would be a lot more than that, since those things got so much pressure on them. But you know, this right here I consider being a lot better than using that. And yeah, again guys, I have no idea why the hell that they sell quarter panels for these cars and it doesn't have this arch. But I mean, that looks a lot better. Of course, you know, the other side and stuff, we have some things we had the spot welds and stuff like that we got to cut off, and everything that is left on this back side. But I consider that a win. Now, the only thing I got left is I have from here to here. I got to get all this off here, and then yeah, it'll be a little bit of, you know, finishing up and stuff like that, and it'll be ready to put on. Oh, awesome. We are doing good. I'm liking it a lot. That is just going to be a pain in the ass to get off. Alright guys, I'll catch y'all in a little bit. I gotta make this real quick. My phone is on 1%. I'm done for the night, stuff like that, but as y'all can see, it is getting there. This part right here is getting a little bit... Oh, there goes my phone. It just fucking died. Wow. Okay. Go here. There you go. It's dead.